Hey guys, it's your boy Chordnificent. Today we're gonna do Frozen Ocean by Trippie Red. Literally 3 chords, guys, the whole song. Alright, so I'm gonna show you real quick. We're playing open standard tuning. So we have, this is E minor, which is 0 2 2 0 0 0, and then we have G, which is 3 2 0 0 0 1. So we have E minor to G. We have a D, which is 0 0 0 2 3 2, and then we play this for like E minor, G, and then we're back on D, and then we play D twice. And my strumming pattern here is, so it's down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Alright, that's pretty much it for the whole song, because you have the same chords for the rest of the song. Right, let me just confirm. Otherwise, this is pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. It's obviously a really short one because the song is super simple. But yeah, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video.